how to edit and change emails, sender's name on Ecwid, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit it and how to change it. First, open your browser and then once you're here, click settings, and then here you will find notifications. Click on it. Now once you're here, scroll down until you find the sender's name and then click edit, and that's it. Type here any name you want and then click save, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.